What's up guys, Random Razor here with another tech video for you guys today, and today we're going to check out the OtterBox Defender case for the all-new iPhone 12 Pro Max. So of course, without further ado, let's slice this open, slap it on the iPhone, and give you guys my quick in-depth review. So as with every new iPhone, it wouldn't be a case review without the famous Defender case that has been out since the iPhone 3G. Now this year, OtterBox obviously made some little revisions to this case since the iPhone did get a slight redesign. This is also new OtterBox packaging here, which is a little bit different than last year. But anyways, let's slice this open, or pop it open, and so the first thing that we get is the OtterBox Defender case here, which you can see is in this very nice navy blue color with a gray plastic interior. There's also a little note here that says this case is 5G compatible, so it should not interfere with the 5G capabilities of your new iPhone. So just like the last couple of generations of Defender cases, this is a screenless design. They no longer put a built-in screen protector, which is something I actually prefer. That way you can install your own glass screen protector, which I think is far superior than the plastic ones. So just like the past Defender cases, it is a two-piece design with an outer rubber shell and an inner polycarbonate shell, and also features a nice soft foam backing to protect and cushion the back of your phone. The shell portion here is made of two pieces, just like the past Defender cases again. You just dig your fingernail in between the clips and they just pop right off. So here we have my Pacific Blue iPhone 12 Pro Max to match this blue OtterBox case. We'll put the, I think we'll put the back piece on first, and then grab the front piece and it just pops into place. And shockingly, this case actually fits my Amazon tempered glass screen protector. So it's kind of nice that OtterBox and many other brands, of course, are trying to make their cases screen protector compatible. Once you have the inner shell on, grab the rubber piece, wrap it around the back, and basically just massage the sides into place. And once you're done, this is what it looks like. I do like how the blue portion that is at least exposed on the camera module here matches the navy blue on the case. One thing I noticed right off the bat is that this year's Defender case is actually a little bit thinner than last year's model. Width-wise, it seems to be just as thick as you would expect, which is the most important part, is the edge protection. But the thickness does seem to be a little bit thinner, which is something that I actually kind of like. It won't feel as much of a brick in your pocket as last year's model. Alright, so taking a quick overview of the Defender case, starting off at the top here, we can see we have an excellent amount of bezel protection with plastic and rubber surrounding the entire border of the phone. Like I mentioned earlier, this case is compatible with my tempered glass screen protector, so for those of you who rock one of those, you shouldn't have to worry about the case affecting that. On the sides, you have covers for the power button as well as your volume rockers, and you still get a nice tactile feedback when you press on them. It doesn't require a whole lot of pressure for them to actuate. And of course, a unique Defender case feature is this protective flap for the vibrate and ringer switch, although it's a little bit deep, so you have to kind of dig your finger in there for to actuate the switch. On the bottom of the Defender case, we have two cutouts for your speakerphone and microphone, as well as a protective flap for the lightning port. It's kind of hard to tell in the video, but you also have these engraved grooves around the edges here for added grip. And the last thing on the back here, we have the OtterBox logo engraved near the bottom, a super large cutout with a blacked out rim around the camera module, and the entire back does have a nice rubbery matte finish to cushion and protect your phone as well as provide grip. I will say, for those of you who have a Pacific Blue iPhone looking for a matching blue case, this OtterBox Defender case in this navy color here certainly matches pretty well. The other thing I want to mention, of course, is this stand here, which you can see you can prop up your iPhone in a landscape position, and of course it also acts as a belt clip for those of you who want to rock this on your belt. Overall guys, I have to say this is probably one of the best Defender cases I reviewed so far. Coupled with a tempered glass screen protector, it really provides one of the best drop protective cases out there, thanks to the added thickness compared to your usual case. What really makes this year's Defender case so special is the fact that they really slimmed it down. Although it doesn't look like much in the video, I could tell from reviewing the Defender case for the last number of years, this is the slimmest one yet. And to the point where anyone who wants to buy this case doesn't just have to be someone who wants an ultra protective case because they're clumsy or something, or if they're in the construction industry or somewhere where it's in a rough environment, but just as a casual case, because it's gotten to the point where it's not really that much thicker than even the commuter case, which so far has been my favorite OtterBox case. Just to give you guys comparison, here's last year's iPhone 11 Pro Max in the commuter case. This is the Defender case for the 12, and you can see it's just a tad thicker. It's hard to tell in the video, but it is slightly thicker, the new Defender case, but not by much, if at all. It's pretty negligible. So that's like how much they slimmed down this case. So definitely a lot more practical and more convenient to use, and something that isn't going to feel too much like a brick in your pocket. In terms of any cons or things I don't like about this case, the biggest hurdle for me is that you can't wireless charge, which you can see here, nothing happens. Here's last year's iPhone 11 Pro Max on the commuter case, and you can see it charges no issues. I can also confirm that last year's Defender case did work as well, but for whatever reason, Apple's redesign of the MagSafe wireless charger makes it so that thicker cases may not work with the wireless charging. So because of that, that definitely can be a deal breaker for many of us. I've come to enjoy wireless charging, even though this case is a really nice case for this year. The fact that you can't wireless charge is certainly a bit of a deal breaker for me. Granted, you can charge the iPhone with the lightning port on the bottom here, but of course, you have to admit, for those of you who use wireless charging in the past, it's a really convenient feature to have. In conclusion, guys, the OtterBox Defender case for this year is a nice addition to the OtterBox lineup. Love the slim look, love how the navy complements that Pacific blue very well with this particular color, and of course, one of the best drop protective cases out there that offers a pretty sleek design for something that's considered bulky and something that isn't going to take away the look of your iPhone. That being said, the lack of the wireless charging is certainly something that can deter you guys from this case. Anyways, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Any questions or comments about the Defender case, let me know in the comment section there down below. Hit that like button, as always helps me out, and I'll see you all in the next video.